Hi everyone, first of all let me say I'm really sorry if I sound bad. I'm sick. My BoxyCharm just got here and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So let's take a look. So the theme for this month is Getaway. So the first item I pull out is from Touch and Soul. It's a primer. It's supposed to tighten up your pores. Sorry. Here's what it looks like. It actually leaked inside the box. So the next item is a highlighter. It's from Steve Laurent. And I think it's a little too dark for me. So here it is swatched. It's a little dark for me, but this would make a really good eyeshadow. So next up from Dominique Cosmetics, this is a lip gloss. Let me swatch it for you. So here's what it looks like. It has a doe-foot applicator. It's a very pretty pink. Sorry. This is Strawberry Lemonade. It's a really pretty light pink. I like it. So next up from Wander Beauty, these are gold eye masks. I'm happy that they gave me a set of 3. Can't wait to try them. Sorry. This is from Tarte. It's a Tarte palette. Sorry, this is what the palette looks like on the outside. So here's the beautiful colors. This is a really nice palette for day looks. You can probably make a night look out of it too. Here are some of the colors swatched. It's a really pretty palette. So that's about it. Once again, I'm sorry for the coughing. This is everything that I got. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.